Introducing the new wrenchable protective cap for reliable flat plate concealed sprinklers. Faster, safer, and cleaner installations. Wrenchable protective caps, color-coded for sprinkler temperature and marked with finished sealing location for use with the new W3 wrench on reliable G5, RFC, and LT56C sprinklers. Reliable's concealed sprinklers are even easier to install with the wrenchable protective cap. Using the Model W3 wrench, sprinklers are installed without removing the protective cap. The cap color indicates the sprinkler's temperature rating, red for ordinary and green for intermediate temperature. Markings are provided on the cap to indicate alignment with a nominal finished sealing height. The cap diameter is slightly larger than the cup and is tapered to avoid damage to the finished sealing when being removed. During trim out, protective caps are easily removed using any half-inch tapered thread adapter attached to the end of a pipe or other extension. Simply thread the adapter onto the protective cap and pull to remove. After the protective cap has been removed, the cover plate can be installed using the available adhesive-backed silicone disc attached to any flat surface having the same approximate diameter as the cover plate. In most cases, removal of the protective cap and installation of the cover plate can be safely performed without the need for a ladder. Contact us about our complete line of flat cover plate concealed sprinklers with the new wrenchable protective caps.